here's another one, Darren. Should I allow dogs at my short-term rental? Should I be dog friendly? Yes or no?
That is a great question. And that is actually one that is in the amenities and category sections, I believe, of Airbnb and Vrbo. Do you allow dogs? And people will search by those. So this is a big one. This can prevent people from getting bookings or allow people to get bookings. And the answer is, do not allow dogs at your short-term vacation rental unless you have confirmed with your insurance agency that they will cover a dog bite as a result of the guest's dog. So here's what happens. The guests come with the dog, and we've defended multiple dog bite claims. So the guest brings the dog to the rental, the guest walks the dog, and the dog ends up biting somebody off the premise. This doesn't happen on the premise. So what most owners think is they go, well, it's not my dog, it's not my problem. Well, it is your problem because you're the one running the business, and ultimately these liability cases come down to fault. Who's at fault? So the kid was bit by the dog in the park. Whose fault is it? You could argue that it's the guest's fault because the guest ultimately owns this dog, but you could also argue that it's the property owner's fault because if the property owner was not allowing people with dogs to short-term rent their property, the girl would not have been bitten by the dog. So we have a real big issue of determining fault. So hands down, yes, you can allow them at proper insurance. We do not have an animal pet liability exclusion. And that includes all animals, animal or pets, okay? But a lot of our competitors, number one, they flat exclude animal liability. So if you find out you don't have that coverage, you either need better insurance or you have to stop allowing animals at your property. And number two is some will allow animal pet liability, but they only exclude vicious breeds. So there's actually a page in your policy that says, we will cover any liability bodily injury caused by an animal or pet, but we won't cover Dobermans, we won't cover German Shepherds, we won't cover Pit Bulls, we won't cover Terriers, on and on and on. So very, very hot topic and something you simply have to verify with your insurance agent.
Okay, great. Thank you, Darren.